Good morning, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm using pieces of cardstock to make wallets and purses with. I've already designed one here with a piece of yellow scrap cardstock I had. And what I did was I glued the sides together. And that's big enough to put a wallet and some money in as a gift. And then I added the little rhinestone chain to it. And I put a piece of cardstock for the closure at the top and just added some foam flowers to it. So this would be nice as a party favor or as a Christmas gift to hold money. You know, you can actually put money inside as well. So what I have now is a piece of cardstock that is 10 inches by 5 inches. So I'm going to make a little purse out of this. So what I've done is, and it was already cut like this too from a project I had using Cricut. So my Cricut machine had this leftover scrap. So what I did was I took it and folded it up 4 inches. And that left a 2-inch flap to close it with, okay? So what I did was I put cardstock, I put double-sided tape on each side, and I'm going to remove that. And where I folded it at the 4-inch mark, I'm just going to go up and close it. The bottom and the sides are now closed. So I have my inside here. I have the inside here. Now what I'm going to do is add my decoration to the flap, and I have a 1-inch hole punch, so I am going to use that on my closure. Let's try to eyeball the center here. Okay. And I'm going to glue this charm to the front. I'm going to put it right over that circle. And it's kind of hard because this is not a flat back charm. But they were so reasonably priced, I had to get them. So this is going to be the front. Get some of this excess glue string off. Okay, so this is going to be my front, and this is going to be the closure. So it's always good to keep these little pieces of extra cardstock because you can make little nice last minute holders for gifts. So what I'm going to do now is take a glue dot, and I am going to hold my chain in place. The chain is really light, so I'm going to put a glue dot on there to hold that down. Okay, let's take this one in here. We're going to take a glue dot for the other side. And you can use the glue gun for this portion as well. I'm just using this for tutorial purposes. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is put Velcro so that I can open and close it. Okay. And it's real simple. I have a $20 bill here, and I'm just going to go and put it inside. So that makes a nice little Christmas gift, and it's in a really pretty Louis Vuitton cardstock. So let me get my Velcro here. And I will put it about right there. And then eyeball where to put the other. Okay, so I have my closure. Okay. And it's just for like a last minute gift card or money, whatever you need, this will hold it. And guys, I think that turned out really well. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.